The movie Clue is a prime example of how a movie can utilize elements of the locked room in a variety of different ways. This can also be called a wad unit type of mystery. Within the movie, we only have a certain amount of suspects that can be responsible for the crimes that have been committed. Miss Scarlet, Mr. Green, Colonel Mustard, Professor Plum, Mrs. White, and Miss Peacock are the only suspects that could have possibly committed the murders. All the crimes that are being solved are revolved around solving a crime such as murder, robbery, or a kidnapping. There have to be a reliable amount of clues left behind that the reader of the story can be able to put together to solve the crime themselves, before any of the clues are actually revealed in person. The overall criminal has to be plausible, believable criminal of the mystery, or, for example, in Clue, the killer can't be a ghost that is haunting the mansion or a character that we have never met before. The author must be able to do thorough research on the mystery at hand, so as to make the solution to the crime logical and factual. Throughout the novel, the clues that the author gives should be methodical so that the reader can be able to slowly piece together the mystery and what happened just from the clues given. The murder should happen in the very beginning of the novel so the reader will be engaged and enthralled in the novel. By the end of the big reveal in the novel, there should be no questions that are left unanswered by the author. All subplots should have a proper ending, and they should be addressed in the novel. Plenty of plot twists and surprises should be in the novel in order to constantly keep the reader guessing and being constantly entranced by the novel. Each mystery should have a red herring. This is when there is a false clue or something that leads the sleuth and or the reader in a different direction than where the case actually goes. The culprit should have a for committing the crime, and a motive should actually make sense and tie into the overall crime. After the mystery has been resolved, the reader should be left feeling fulfilled and shocked at the ending to be able to fulfill by reading the novel.